Oh, it's the last piece of pizza. I'ma get it. Oh, nice. Excuse me, sir. Can I have the last pizza? Boy, you know.
Okay, guys, we're gonna be doing Monkey Marathon level 9. If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna tickle you. Let's go, level 9. Monkey Marathon.
It's me, Pumpkin the Pumpkin. I want some candy to eat, and I will open the door for you. Oh yeah. Find some candy for me.
Hello, Billy. Woo. I don't feel like doing it. What's that? Wait, hold up. Why is this a thing? Oh, eggs! Eggs are broken. Eggs are broken. I don't know what I'm saying. Oh yeah, remember guys when there was like a giant walking house? That's not here anymore. And I don't think the little jump scare guys are here anymore too. Wait, let me go check. Because I remember where they spawn. Or a couple of them spawn. Yeah, because like that big house isn't there anymore. I think it's like... Yeah, it's like this one. And there's no more of them. I don't know, but...
Nom nom nom. That
rocking house anymore?
Delicious candy.
Or
let's go find me some more candy, please.
Because I remember there was like a bunch of them in the graveyard.
By the hay maze.
That was stuff, but there was one like down here somewhere. Now they're all gone. Woo! Oh my God, his ankles are broken! What the roar? No! On. Hula booga! Hula booga! Hey guys, if you get me to like 20 or 10 subs, I might do live stream. And but I might do live stream. And you can, but you guys can meet me. But I'm not that popular, so I don't care. But yeah. So yeah, you can. So if you give me to like 10 to 20 subs, I will do a live stream, and you guys can get to meet me. Hillbillies, oh no. Oh no. Woo! It's stupid! I'm lagging. Oh yeah, if you've seen like those 1v1s and stuff in Girl Tag, people are always making excuses when they're like toxic kid and then doing 1v1. They're like, oh my game lagged, we have to restart that. Like, shut. I haven't done a 1v1 with the toxic player, but I've seen too many videos of the toxic kid just being like, when he gets tagged, he's like, no, we have to restart that. My game lags so hard. And my fish started walking on my controller like, shut. No. No, please, no, please, no, please, no, please, no, please, no. Please, 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 please. That boy is running. Okay, he's gone anyway. Where's my mom? Who would tell like their age on YouTube? Because I've seen like so many people on YouTube and they're like super young. Maybe like me, probably not, but like these 6-year-olds that like tell their thing, their age, which is insane. I don't know why you would. That can get you banned from YouTube from your age. Wait, is there an age limit for like YouTube channel? Just tell me if there is an age limit for making YouTube videos and stuff. Tell me in the comments if there is an age limit, because I don't think there is, but I think there is too. You know what? I don't think there is, and I think there is at the same time. I don't know, but you thought I was gonna go on the safe side. Wait, one time the monster was stuck in here, and I was like trying to click this button, but he just killed me every time. But guys, that's gonna be it in the video. If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna tickle you in your sleep. And I'm just gonna tickle your little toes when you're sleeping. So if you don't subscribe, that's gonna happen. And join the 2 new fan codes, which are put in the description of my last video. So do that. Join the fan codes, ICE or ICEVR, and Big Scary or Girl Tag.